Y'all just found the jackpot. If you're looking for natural remedies, anything herbal, check out TAJ Essentials, located in Charlotte, North Carolina, y'all. They have everything. Y'all see all this? I can't even describe it. Like, I'm so overwhelmed right now. I'm like geeking out. Like, I feel like I done fell into my heavenly bliss right now. I've been on a health journey for a while now, just trying to find natural remedies, a place that sell pure natural ingredients, and I have found it, y'all. Like, this is the place. The name of it is TAJ Essentials, located in Charlotte, North Carolina, y'all, and their prices are absolutely reasonable, y'all. Like, check this out. Can y'all see what I'm seeing? Like, for real, you name it, they got it. And they're so knowledgeable, and they're so friendly and professional, y'all. When I tell you, people was coming in, the doorbell just kept ringing, like, why ain't nobody tell me this, like, for real. Like, they got it all, like, for real. I'm trying to put y'all on because apparently didn't nobody put me on. But I was out today driving around. I said, let me check this store out. What is this? I look it in the window, like, what is this? A whole bunch of candles? No, this is it. This is it. If you deal with any type of skin issues, your gut issues, mental issues, like, this stuff right here is natural. All natural. They even got the live water, however you pronounce it. Yes, y'all. They got pure incense. You name it, they got it, y'all. I'm telling you, this place is what's up. I'm not going to keep repeating myself. Come check them out. Not sponsored, but I'm just telling you. Y'all, if y'all been looking for it, here we go. And it keep going and going and going. Like, oh my gosh, like, for real. Check them out.